Meetings are useful, but remembering everything is difficult. Copilot helps turn meetings into clear outcomes. Imagine leaving a meeting feeling uncertain about what was discussed or struggling to capture every decision and action item. Now, what if you had an AI assistant that listens, remembers, and turns your discussions into structured results? That's what Microsoft Copilot in Teams brings to every meeting. Let's explore how Copilot transforms meeting chaos into clarity. With one click, it captures the agenda, tracks who said what, and creates a living transcript. Copilot can generate tailored summaries, list action items by owner, highlight decisions, and even track open questions, so nothing slips through the cracks. Consider this scenario. A project manager asks, "Summarize today's meeting and list all action items with owners." Instantly, Copilot organizes the transcript, extracts key points, and builds a digital action board. Each task is assigned to a team member, ready for follow-up. Now imagine joining a meeting late. You ask, "What did I miss in the first 20 minutes?" Copilot quickly generates a timeline showing speaker highlights, major topics, and any decisions made, so you're back up to speed in moments. Or a team lead checks, what decisions were made and what risks were discussed. Copilot identifies the decision moments and flags risk conversations, all displayed in clear summary panels. Curious how you can get started? First, schedule a Teams meeting and enable transcription if available. Once the discussion begins, Copilot quietly transcribes the conversation. During or after the meeting, simply open Copilot and ask for a summary, list of actions, decisions, or a recap email. Copilot instantly transforms the transcript into a concise meeting summary that becomes a list of tasks, and with a prompt, sends those action items as an email to your team. For best results, speak clearly, assign tasks to specific owners, and keep your meeting agenda structured. Copilot's power grows with clarity and focus. Copilot isn't just listening, it's working, ensuring your meetings move from discussion to execution. The result? Less confusion, fewer missed details, and more done. Do you want fewer meetings or smarter meetings? Subscribe to Adri's Tech and comment your thoughts.